You're watching Canada's Weather Network. To help you plan your activities in the coming days, here are the short and long-term forecasts for your area. To upload your photos and videos, visit upload.theweathernetwork.com.
Show off your weather photos using hashtag #ShareYourWeather.
There's a few things that are really interesting about Sam, but one of them is how we are calculating its strength, or at least one way we are calculating its strength. I'm going to be joined now by our storm hunter, Mark Robinson. Mark, technology changing all the time. It makes our forecasting better. It makes us see these hurricanes from far away, but now we've got something brand new. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, the sail drone is a fascinating piece of technology for me as a meteorologist. You know, when we see these hurricanes, we often have to the only data we can get from them is from satellite. If we haven't got the planes, the storm hunters, or excuse me, the hurricane hunters going in there, you know, we can only get what we can from satellite and sort of looking down on it. These sail drones will actually be able to move into the hurricane itself along the surface of the water and get data like wind speed, pressure, sea surface temperature, even further under the water temperature. And this is sort of the newest thing, because you don't want to sail a ship in there, but these ones can go right into the center of the hurricane.
This is amazing, and I think so many people have been fascinated with how this actually looks, because, I mean, nobody, hopefully nobody, will find themselves in the middle of a hurricane like this, in the middle of the ocean. So I think that this is one of those things that has taken the internet by storm, certainly the meteorology community by storm, and as a storm hunter, I mean, you gotta love something like this.
Yeah, absolutely. It's one more tool in the toolbox. You know, the hurricane hunters going in and dropping dropsondes, that gets data all the way down to the column, so all the way to, from where they're flying all the way down to the surface of the water. And now we're getting observations from the surface itself that are continuously coming in. So this allows us to sort of understand a little bit more about hurricanes. And one of the things that they are going to be looking at is how fast, when we get that rapid intensification of hurricanes, this may help with that to sort of let us understand exactly why these hurricanes can suddenly explode in strength very, very quickly, which of course is very, very important for keeping people safe and getting evacuations if needed, if that hurricane is beginning to threaten land.
Yeah, I think that this is going to be a great way that we didn't have before of really determining how these things are forming and what they're doing over the ocean water. We're looking now at Tropical Storm Victor. I just wanted to mention Victor, well out to sea, just off the coast of Africa, because this means that we are now at the second last named storm of the Atlantic hurricane season, 20 so far for 2021. 7 of them have been major hurricanes. And here's another look at Sam. What an eye wall on this particular storm, Mark. And I know you like to get up close and personal with hurricanes, but I think this drone is going it's not going to take your job, but it's going to make you a little bit safer.
Yeah, that's what I think. And I don't have to be in the hurricane, neither does anybody else. Fantastic for that.
Okay, thank you, Mark. Our Mark Robinson, storm hunter, talking about the newest technology in hurricane hunting.